Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Final Cut Pro and the library you want to move. This step is critical because libraries hold media, events, and projects together. Once open, make sure playback is stopped and background tasks are complete. Next, reveal the library in Finder via File Reveal in Finder so you can control the bundle. You'll choose an external SSD or a folder on your internal drive. The why is simple. Performance and space management determine smooth playback and faster exports. Once done consolidating media inside Final Cut Pro, copy referenced media into the library using File Consolidate Library Files so files are internal and portable. This prevents missing clips after the move. Then quit Final Cut Pro to avoid locked files, and in Finder move the FCP bundle to the target drive or folder. Make sure the destination has correct permissions and enough free space. Otherwise, relinking will fail and performance will suffer. Reopen Final Cut to verify everything loaded. You finish by opening Final Cut Pro and inspecting projects and events for missing media or proxy switches. Scrub the timeline to confirm playback. If clips are offline, use File Relink Files, select missing files, and point Final Cut to the new drive location. This resolves most path issues. If performance lags, make sure the drive is USB-C or Thunderbolt and formatted apps. If problems persist, restore from the cloned backup. One quick tip: always keep a verified backup before moving libraries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.